Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transitions in your videos using InShot. If you are looking to make your videos smoother and more professional, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the video option and select one video that you want to edit. Now that the video is in the timeline, you are ready to add transitions between them. To add transitions, first you need to split the video. Now tap onto the split option. From here you can split like this. Now to add the transitions, here you can find a little clip like this. Now tap on it. And here you can find a lot of transition options that you can add to your video clips. Now tap onto the one that you like the most. After adding it, you can adjust its intensity and time also. And after that, simply tap onto the check mark. Now you can add the transitions to many videos as you want and make your videos look smoother. And that's it. You have just learned how to add smooth and creative transitions to your videos in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.